In this video, I want to talk to you about the brutal truth of trading, the stuff you're not going to hear from other people because it doesn't sell their courses. You're not failing because you're a bad trader. You're failing because you're in a constant rush. You're trying to do things, you're trying to make a lot of money without even knowing what you're actually doing and why you're actually doing it. My name is Dylan. I've been trading for 6 years, full-time for 3. And I've taken traders who are in your shoes to consistently profitable with the processes that I'm about to discuss here. The important thing for you to know is there is no shortcut. There is no secret 100% win rate strategy. There's no 1-week boot camp that's magically going to make you profitable. It's hard work. It's having a process. It's being consistent and sticking it through to the end to get the end result that you're looking for. Nice house, freedom, flashy cars, all the things that you want that are possible with this skill set, but you're forgetting about the actual process that's involved to get you to that point. So getting into this, I want you to understand that 95% of traders will not make money trading. And it's not because nobody can find profitability, it's that you can't get out of your own way. There's a process to doing this and you're completely skipping it. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to become a profitable trader. Trading profitably is much like building a house. So when you have a house, you have a roof, you have the sides, and then you have the foundation of the house. Put a little window on here. And we'll throw a little Lamborghini on here for when you're taking a lot of payouts. And you want the flashy house that's showing payouts, freedom, doing what you want, the things that you see online that are possible with trading. And it's very important that you understand that is possible, but there's a process for you to get there. And when you look at trading like building a house, you understand that it has to be done step by step. So let's start with step 1, the foundation. The foundation comes from accepting the truth that what you're doing is not working. Rushing, being in a hurry, buying funded accounts, thinking you're going to win the lottery is not going to get you to the end result that you're looking for. So what you have to first do is accept that there's a process to this. You're going to have to build skill. You're going to have to get repetition, screen time, and it may take months or even a couple years for you to get profitable, but that is the foundation. First, accepting what it's going to take of you to be profitable. And until you accept that there's a process, it's not going to be like winning the lottery. You're going to stay stuck and your trading will continue to be a train wreck because there's no foundation underneath it. So the foundation is going to come from first accepting that there's a process. And once you accept that, you can start making meaningful progress towards profitability. And now for step 2, the structure. So that's going to look like the sides of the house. That's actually going to support everything that's there. So once you take the focus off the end result, you can actually start building the skill that's going to get you there. One important thing to understand in the world is the law of attraction. And when you chase something, when you're running after it, and I need to be profitable, I need the payout, and you're chasing it, all you're doing is delaying the process and kicking it down the road. And as much as you're chasing it, it's running away from you. Instead, become the person that is able to take payouts, that is able to be a long-term profitable trader. And then you end up attracting what it is that you want. So instead of trying to brute force and chase profitability, focus on becoming the person that is profitable and watch how everything changes for you. So when you finally accept that there's a skill to this, you can start building the skill, and that's what the foundation of your house will be built on. And then for step 3, once you've already accepted the truth, you're focusing on the skill building. Step 3 is going to be to have an actual process to get you to where you want to get to. And this is what's going to protect everything. And this is going to be the roof on the house that you're building. Because without an actual process and a routine that you're doing every single day, you're second guessing, you're uncertain if you're ever seeing progress. And that's why it's taking you years to become profitable. Having a process is very simple. What I walk through those I work with is a very simple 4-step process. So when you're building the roof that's going to protect everything you've done, that's going to start with first learning how to read price action. That's going to look like first getting good at reading the left side of the chart. So if you understand what the left side of the chart is doing, how price behaves, that's the first skill you need. Too many traders rush into, I have to trade right away. I need to immediately trade a demo account. I need to immediately trade a prop firm. And you can't even read the left side of the chart consistently yet. So it's important to understand that learning how to read price at a high level has steps to it. And the first step is first learning to read the left side of the chart really well. Once you can do that, now you can start to read the right edge of the chart and begin to anticipate what the market's going to do. But there's a process to learning how to read price action, and it starts from first back testing consistently, learning how to read the market on the left side, and then eventually predicting the market on the right edge is very easy once you know what you're doing. The second part of the process to profitability is learning to read price. Step 2 is going to be building a trading model. So once you learn how to read price at a high level, what entry pattern, what model, what resonates with you as a trader. And regardless of whether you're trading support and resistance, indicators, smart money concepts, these steps are going to apply to you, because regardless of how you're going to trade, if you don't have these steps in place, your trading will continue to look the way it is. So once you develop your model, you're then going to need to develop a trading plan. So you need a plan for how you're going to execute and attack the market every single day, so that when you sit down at your desk, you know exactly what model you're looking for, how it looks on the chart, how you're going to manage your risk, how many trades you're going to take. All those things have to be defined. And if you don't have a trading plan, you don't even have a chance at being a profitable trader. And then lastly, you're going to want to journal and review what you're doing. So you learn how to read price, you build your model, you build your trading plan, and then you're going to want to have a system for reviewing and journaling every single day. That's how you're going to make improvements. That's how you're going to learn about yourself and continue to reach higher levels as a trader through reflection and through improvement. And traders that aren't even journaling don't even have a chance at being profitable. You absolutely have to journal every single day, because that's what's going to help you improve as a trader, see the patterns that are holding you back, and continue reaching the next level. So for the 3-step process, you have the foundation, we build the house, we have the roof, which is the process that actually protects everything. And then lastly, you have the finished result, which looks like a door, maybe a window, and you got a little furniture outside here for you to sit on. And you got the nice flashy house at the end. You don't get to step 4 without the first 3 steps. So until you accept there's a process, actually follow a process, and then get consistent about what you're doing every single day in a routine that's actually going to take you to where you want to go to, you're never going to have the finished product, the freedom, the payouts, the being able to do whatever you want with your time because you're able to work only 2 hours a day. That's absolutely possible. And I want you to know you absolutely can do this, but you have to keep in mind there's a process behind it. And if you keep skipping the process and not going through step 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you keep rushing to the end of the line, you're going to keep kicking the can down the road. So I really want you to ask yourself, how long have you been doing this? What are you actually doing each day that's building you into profitability? Because if you recalibrate and get in the right direction and have a process for doing this, and you recalibrate in a way that's going to get you there faster, you can get there in 6 months. You can get there in 1 year instead of having to take 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, like many I've worked with, because they've disregarded everything that we've talked about here. So I want to leave you off with this. You will be able to do this. And while most fail, it's not because trading is hard. It's because everybody's doing the wrong things. They're in a rush and they're not applying themselves in the correct way. But when you understand there is a process, you accept that, you execute the process, you build routines every single day so that you know beyond a shred of a doubt you're making progress as a trader, this will get easier for you. You will be able to do it, but you have to accept it's going to take longer than you want. And once you accept that and you start making meaningful progress, you will absolutely be able to create the life of your dreams, create the freedom, the money, the income. Everything that you're trying to create with this is possible, but you have to focus on the skill that's actually going to get you there. See you on the next one.